Okay, so this is on the next step of getting your design to the carving software. So like many things, we design in Designer and then we bring our designs other places to get the machine to actually do the work. So this is the first one. The first thing you're gonna do is you have to get this out of Designer. So to do that, we're gonna go to File, you're gonna go to Export, and you're gonna hit PNG. So Export PNG. And that should shoot this down into this bar down here, and you can see sign.png. That's the first step. After that, do a quick save, and actually you're done. As long as you're not going to make any changes to this, you're pretty much done with this. So you want to make sure you just like X out the browser to close everything out. So what you're looking for, okay, on the desktop is this icon, v-carve desktop 8.5. So you want to look for this icon. We're going to open this v-carve up. It's going to say v-carve desktop, and we're going to create a new file. So create new file. There's some important stuff that's going to happen here. It might look like my screen. It might look like a little different. First thing is we got to make the job size. So the width of our job size is going to be 10 inches wide and 5.5 inches tall. The other, make sure you want to change the thickness to 0.75 inches. And then most importantly, you want to make sure that the datum point is this middle one. Make sure the units are in inches. And then everything else doesn't really matter what's going on in this. You can change this to standard resolution. Everything else can be, doesn't matter what wood it is, appearance or anything like that. So just making sure 10 inches wide, 5 inches tall, 5.5, 0.75 inches, and click OK. The next step is to bring your picture in, and then that's where I'm going to stop the screencast. So to bring your picture in, we're going to go to this right here where it says import bitmap for tracing. So it's a folder with a little picture of a bird. I'm going to click that. And then you want to navigate to the downloads folder. So to get there in a Windows machine, which is a little different than a Chromebook, right now it says, right now I'm in the desktop. This is where it's telling me I am in the desktop where I'm moving around the mouse. So I want to hit this caret, previous locations. That's one way to do it. The other way to do it is over here on the left-hand side and look for this one. It's called downloads, the down arrow. So I'm going to open up the downloads folder, and you can see there's going to be a whole bunch of other stuff in here, probably from other students. But you can see there's my Australia sign. So I'm going to click that and hit open. And it's going to bring it right in. And that's where I'm going to stop this screencast on how to get your picture into v-carve for the next few steps. Okay, so I'm going to pause this here.